Hallo. Hallo. Guten Tag.
Hello, we are Films Monkey. I am Yann.
I am Seb. So we are a French duet. We live in Paris. And it's been like 10 years that we're touring the world with this show, which is a kind of incredible drum show.
A drum duet with music and humor.
And love, of course.
And love,
It's really important. It's really difficult to expect anything from this show because it's like there's drums, percussions, like different music instruments. There's as well instruments that we create. I think the best way to understand this show is to come and see the show. And for us, it's still amazing to perform, to be two drummers on stage and to tour the world. So we are really happy to perform here, so come and see our show, it's gonna be amazing. This guy is totally silly. Please come and save me, please save me! Please come to the show, please!